Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we got this lock from Big Willy. Big Willy's a cool dude. He's got a YouTube channel. Check him out if you haven't yet. And this was sent to me by Trekmaster. And he also has a nice YouTube channel. But I'm sure you guys already know of him if you found me. So yeah, let's put this thing in the vise and see if we can't get her picked up. Oh, before we do that, I forgot. I was gonna let you guys know. I'm having a giveaway coming up. This is gonna be my 100 subscriber video. It's gonna take a little while because I don't get subscribers very fast, but that's okay. It's an otoscope, which I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's kind of like the thing the doctor uses in your ear, and you light it up and you can look inside locks with it, which it's pretty cool. It actually does help you see what's in a lock. And like you can kind of look in Medcos and sometimes you can see the gates and stuff. Pretty cool. And then I already told you about the AL45 and the adapter so you can put whatever kick you want to in it. So yeah, you guys can be looking forward to that. And anyways, back to lock. Yeah, let's throw this thing in the vise and see if we can't get her picked. Okay. Throw this in here. Clamp it down. And let's see. See if we can use this 50 thousandths. And actually, with the way that looks, let's try a one hook. Okay. Got a one hook in here. Pretty low cut, actually, so glad I went with the one hook. Okay, got a little click off it. Actually, let's switch tension wrenches. That doesn't seem like that's gonna work either. Let's try this one. And I think I still kept that number 2 pin that I got a click on. Man, there's not much room in here. Let's see. Okay, we got to click on 3. Feels like 4 is binding. Five's binding, but no movement yet. Okay, so 2 gave me a little turn on the core. Feels like I'm getting some feedback again on, feels like 2. Yep, 2's giving me feedback. Okay, got a little turn on the core. Feels like 4. Tension wrench. 4 gave me a little click. Okay, got a little more turn on the core. Okay, got a little click on one. This tension wrench is killing me. It keeps slipping out. having to find a way around all those low cut pins. Okay, I gotta click on one and it looks like it's open. Yes, it is. Alright. That took a minute, but because the tension wrench and the size of my pick, but that'll work. Let's go ahead and pop this clip off. Okay, we'll move this. Let's go ahead and get it to where you guys can see. And yeah, let's throw a shim in here. I'll go ahead and throw that shim in there. And then we'll use this follower. And it should work just fine. There we go. Cool. Okay, looks like we got some undercutting on 2 and 4 and some threading on 1 and 5. Okay, so in 1 we got a standard, 2 standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, and 5 is a standard. Alright. Go to the top here if you can find the top. And grab my tweezers. Okay, pin 1 looks like we got a factory serrated and a copper spring, a tiny copper spring. In 2 we got a factory spool. Oops. Yeah. And a copper spring. In 3 we have a standard. Oops, and a copper spring. Just lost my okay, and in 4 we got a different kind of factory spool and a copper spring. And let's go from the back on this one. And we got a serrated and a copper spring. Alright, very cool lock, Big Willie. Thanks for making it. Checkmaster, thanks for sending it. Let's have a look at the pins here. Those are factory spools and factory serrated. Pretty cool. And all copper springs. And let's make sure we got no work to the Bible here. Actually, I can't really tell. Let me see. Hold on. No, there's no work to the Bible there. And here is your bidding for that. Alright guys, if you don't have consent, keep your pick yourself. Don't break the law. And have a good day. Thanks.